Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Simila Khan 92. Today my video is about Huawei FreeBuds SE2 model. So we will unbox today these Huawei earbuds. The name of this Huawei FreeBuds SE2. So I will show you how it looks like. This box I already opened, so we'll see inside what is available inside. So they give this data cable, the USB type C data cable is given here. There is a catalog. You can see how it will work, how it connects to your mobile. There is a scan code also given. This is in English, this is in Arabic. So this is a box given inside. This is the box. A good packing is given. So we'll see what is inside. There is a very simple casing. Not this is a model SE2. So these are the earbuds inside. I will show you. You can see. So this is given in the SE2. I don't know it's charged or not, but I will check. If it's charged, I will show you how to connect this with your mobile. So this is the point from where you can charge these earbuds. Sorry. So if you buy this is I buy here in 69 real, not more amount as per Huawei brand. This is a good brand, Huawei. So I recommend this. You can also buy this because it's a reasonable amount. I see another FreeBuds in this one SE3. In that one the casing is they give the leather casing, and there is a shiny look from the side of this earbud on this place, like this one, silver, like it looks like silver. But the price is double from that one, and the work is same. So I recommend you to buy this SE2. It's better because the quality, sound quality is same, and product quality is same, but only only in the looks it's better than that. And also there is one advantage in SE3 is that they give volume control in that one, but in this one there is no volume control, but in the SE3 there is volume control. That's the only difference. So thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.